A Louisiana abortion law goes to the nation's highest court.
We fight for the 1.4 million black women who live in Louisiana.
Protesters gathered at our nation's Supreme Court, where they're taking up a major abortion case with ties to Shreveport. It'll be the first since Justices Brett Kavanaugh and Neil Gorsuch joined the bench. The two Trump appointees could tip the scales in the abortion fight. June Medical Services versus Russo centers around a Louisiana law that requires abortion providers to have admitting privileges at hospitals within 30 miles. Jamie Ostroff joins us to break down the case. Jamie.
Jerry, June Medical Services, which operates as Hope Medical Group for Women right here in Shreveport, brought this case. As you're about to see, it has drawn demonstrators to the steps of the Supreme Court, both for and against abortion rights. June argues that the law places an undue burden on women seeking an abortion and provides them no real medical benefit. Attorneys arguing to uphold the law claim the opposite. They also argue that abortion providers do not have third-party legal standing to sue on behalf of patients. Congressman Mike Johnson was inside the Supreme Court to watch some of the arguments.
I'm confident and I think optimistic that we will get a majority opinion in this case. They will not only uphold common sense, they will not only uphold this common sense protection for women's health, but they'll also potentially rule and change the third-party standing that the abortion industry has abused for so long.
Now, on the other side of this, the clinic administrator for Hope Medical Group issued a statement on the case today. It said, quote, "I am optimistic that the court will recognize Act 620 for what it is, an attempt to regulate abortion care out of existence. This law would be devastating for the women in our state and would no doubt have repercussions nationwide." Attorneys arguing on behalf of June are relying on a case that was decided 4 years ago in Texas when the Supreme Court invalidated a law virtually identical to Louisiana's. But since that decision, as you mentioned, President Donald Trump has placed two conservative justices on the bench in Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh. So those who oppose abortion are hoping that this shift will swing things in their favor. Now, I have been tracking the developments that are coming out of the Supreme Court today. I'll get into those at 6 o'clock.
All right, Jamie, thanks. We'll look forward to more on that.